I bought the form. I was cleared to participate in the election. And no reason for me to be excluded from the ballot. If they do so, then that is a recipe for a bigger trouble for the party. However, I don't think it's a decision of the party. It is a decision of few elites who may decide to use their whatever position to suppress the so-called minority. But I want to prove that in this country, I am not in the minority. We have the majority. I belong to the younger generation. I belong to the generation of Nigerians that are oppressed, and they are saying they must have their voice. And I believe strongly that getting into that arena today, I will win overwhelmingly if the process and the normal regulations are followed. Nobody consulted me. Nobody consulted me over the decision that they took. And I would rather say that they were railroaded by certain interests who wants to be VP at all costs. And the issue of turn-by-turn presidency, I continue to oppose it because the insecurity that is facing us today does not respect turn-by-turn presidency. Every part of this country is faced with insecurity. Every part of this country is wanting prosperity. And the seeming or the disunity that we are experiencing today in Nigeria, we want unity in this country. I respect President Muhammadu Buhari, the leader of our party, and I respect the party. If the president asks me to step down, I will do. Only Mr. President. I am very optimistic that APC will return to power if we play by the rules of the game.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.